We're getting ready for the garden season, and that means the shovels are coming out. And just as sharp knives are essential in the kitchen, sharp garden tools make any landscape job easier. You may not have ever considered sharpening your shovel, but believe it or not, it actually makes digging easier. Dirt, rocks, and tree roots quickly dull shovel blades. Sharpening your shovel is really easy. You'll need a 10 to 12 inch bastard cut mill file, which is readily available at home centers and hardware stores. This is a good all-purpose choice for sharpening any garden tool. Make sure the file lays flat across the edge bevel. It sharpens only when you push it, not when pulling back, making the file easy to control. It only takes a few long strokes to get a good edge without being overly aggressive. Another tool you can use to sharpen your shovel is this garden tool sharpener. As you pull along the shovel edge, the tungsten carbide blades sharpen the edge. I like the protection the finger and hand guard provides during the sharpening process. Once the shovel is sharp, apply a spray lubricant on it. This helps to prevent rust. Hose, lawnmower blades, and other garden tools can be sharpened the same way. Taking care of your shovels and other garden tools will extend their life, and you'll have the sharpest tools in the shed. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.